Hello, and welcome everybody to Focusing on Everyday Living with LaShonda Rochelle. Make sure y'all check out my podcast on Anchor or Spotify. Hey y'all, today I will be talking about HelloFresh. I'm doing an unboxing, and the great thing about this is there are several meals that are in this box. So you're reducing your food waste by at least 25%. 100% of our carbon emissions are offset. The meal you're about to make isn't the only thing to get excited about. So I'm excited to be opening this box. Let's see what we have here. All right, so HelloFresh gave me it came with the melty Monterey Jack burgers. And then it came with the one pan Santa Fe pork tacos for ground beef or ground. It says something about ground beef, the option. It has an option. And then this is a stuffed meatball rigatoni bake. And we have the crispy buffalo spiced chicken. And then I also ordered some dessert, y'all. So the dessert I ordered was, since it's close to Valentine's Day, I did order some heart cookies, some cookie dough, some sugar cookies. All right, it looks as if the meats are in a separate bag. We have the ground beef, we have the chicken cutlet, and we have the ground pork, and I have the some more ground beef. It's 85% lean, and then I have. They also put something in here to keep your food cold. All right, and not only that, y'all. It also gave me, it says, give a friend a free box, plus 15% off. So make sure y'all, tune in. Let me know what you think about my unboxing of HelloFresh. And you may be a friend that will receive a free box. All right, let's see what else it has. These are, also it shows me my recipes. It has my recipes of how I make my foods. All right, this is amazing. So hey y'all, make sure y'all check out my next video as we begin to actually cook the meals and we can prepare our meals together. Thank y'all so very much for focusing on everyday living with LaShonda Rochelle. Bye-bye now.